गोविंद
कुछ बोले
आज जिस ये आए उसके बारे में जानना चाहिए।
वेल ये इंडिया लग्जरी स्टाइल वीक रमेश डेमरा जो फर्स्ट टाइम कुछ डिफरेंट ट्राई कर रहे हैं, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट सिटीज़ के लोग आ रहे हैं, डिज़ाइनर आ रहे हैं अपने अपने दिखाने के लिए डिज़ाइंस। तो मैं इसमें आ रही हूँ पहले तो मैं एज अ गेस्ट ही आ रही थी, लेकिन व्हेन रमेश थॉट दैट लेट मी जस्ट एंकर ऑल्सो 1 मिनट का स्पीच दे दूँ मैं उनके शो के बारे में और अक्षय कुमार के बारे में, बिकॉज आई वर्क विद हिम। सो या दैट्स व्हाट मैं इसलिए आई हूँ यहाँ पे।
दिल्ली में आपने काम किया और आज वापस सामने क्या कहना चाहिए आज
मैं यही कहूँगी कि एक और बार अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल रही है उनके साथ काम करने की, और जल्दी से होपफुली एक और फिल्म भी मिल जाए उनके साथ करने के लिए, तब अच्छा ही। अभी एक मतलब धीरे धीरे ही बढ़ता है इंसान, एक और अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली, होपफुली आगे चल के एक और अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल जाएगी, बट आई एम लकी टू बी वर्किंग विद हिम अगेन।
तो आगे क्या क्या प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में जानना चाहेंगे?
आगे मेरी एक हॉलीवुड फिल्म आ रही है द ब्लैक प्रिंस, और एक हमारी अधूरी कहानी जो मोहित सूरी की उसमें गेस्ट अपीयरेंस कर रही हूँ। दैट्स व्हाट अभी है। अभी आगे चल के पता चल जाएगा 1 महीने के अंदर और क्या कर रहे हैं। थैंक यू।
आ जाएगा।
आज आप कितने एक्साइटेड हैं इस प्रोग्राम को लेकर?
बहुत ही एक्साइटेड हूँ क्योंकि आई एम हेल्पिंग माई ब्रदर, आई एम सपोर्टिंग हिम। He's come up with this new line called India Luxury Style. Sorry. India Luxury Style. It's all a men collection. We've always seen Lakme Fashion Week, different kind of Fashion Week. So I think he's starting all men's line, and we've got very good designers under him जो support कर रहे हैं. And Akshay is also my brother. He's a brand ambassador for this India Luxury Style. So I wish him good luck and God bless. I hope he does well, because हमेशा बहन की दुआ यही होती है कि भाई अच्छा करे. He's my big brother, like my father. He's been taking care of me. So today I've got a chance to take care of him. So I wish him all the best.
लोगों पे कितना इफेक्ट होने वाला है इस स्टाइल?
लोगों को अच्छा लगना चाहिए. इफेक्ट तो जब ये अच्छा लगेगा तो ऑब्वियसली जाएंगे ये शो देखने. बट it's a new baby step he's taken, so I hope everybody enjoys this new venture of Ramesh Demla. Thank you.
मैं
How excited you're feeling also India's first fashion week for men?
It's a great privilege, first of all, that Shravan has considered me worthy of working for him. It's a big honor working for Shravan, first of all, and especially on such a nice, beautiful podium, because it's the first of its kind. And I know it might sound cliche, but I'm extremely proud, especially today, to work for Shravan because of the kind of clothes that he makes. It's very authentic, it's very Indian. I feel very proud of the fact that I'm wearing what I'm wearing today. And along with that, the reason behind his entire foundation, his entire being is very noble a cause. He supports a lot of homeless people to make these clothes. So I think it's a very noble cause, it's charitable, and God bless him for this. Yeah.
Neil is one of the most handsome and good-looking person in Bollywood. So what kind of clothes will really suit Neil?
Hollywood and Bollywood both. I think if I would have dreamt of a prince or a king wearing my attire, if it would not be him, it would not be anybody. I think it's like my dream come true, and I'm very honored. He's such a humble person. I asked whether he would walk for me. It was like he rolled out a red carpet to say yes. There are very few people. Everybody is a great actor. Everybody is a fantastic human being. But I have never met a star who's yet so reachable and who's so humble and fantabulous.
How no way. Especially
That's so kind of him.
Everybody's talking about your equation with Sonam and Salman. How was it?
Great experience. I'm looking forward to the film. So releasing this Diwali, 11th of November. So I'm looking forward. It's a dream come true for me working with Suraj ji, with Salman bhai. Sonam I'm working for the second time now. So in totality, I think it's a great experience. Looking forward to it.
You know, all this round was right to talk about our earthquake devastation.
I know. I am very disturbed about it, and probably this is something that happened after the news of the calamity in Nepal, and I instantly wanted to say yes because it's somewhere this cause is actually supporting a lot of homeless people. So in a way, I wanted to make sure that I relate to it somehow.
And your last question, Salman is so lovable. Every part of the country, except and his court verdict is May 6th.
He's a man, he's a people's person. God bless him with all the love. He'll be supported very strongly always. Thank you.
It is not America. This is India.
1, 2, 3.